Mano mwancho murigererwe taseni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansubwo mu busingwege nabuna Jumapili ya unegendrete ko ba enterkima na mano gendrete kwego kya soko bwate mirobero yonsi menyege taseni keiga ekero chire kitariki 11 mutinyo gatano na gatatu omwaka no w'ibere na mirongo ebere nene na manga gendrete okarekana aline tinga twarora barayikorwa sorogongo rwa Gusii bagendrete we sokya na kumwariganya bene umurayibese Dr. William Samuel Ruto yorabe kago chake taro ya yaburitwe ankya sorogongo rwa Gusii County ya Kisii na bwege County ya Nyamira eriokoroto tanabwego kwigura emiroberio au ya magendero nechinga kiwega babwatani kurase kyama kya ODM abagenderete kogo kerwa ogochorwa kwa balia bairire amabaga yabari babete bagoswase serikali ya Kenya kwanza sebirogo au byobo waziri omo gosomura ibe kyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na baraibande kurwase byame birime ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya ni goritkoria lero babiri bagwikirana sesemo ya Thika ime County ya Kiambu ase omosangrekano bw'amasabongo kwarigania semesema ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mubaso eriyo nkumanye bunanarayana kwarigania senchera ere yobingere triane Everlyne Osero uri atokubwatirana nere asokhene kya chibicheneryo gichawe kire ni gakoro kwa Kevin Mogambi. Nyura mna nabako gendera gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital la sensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na baiga se website ito nabako tonyora Chinsa emirongo ebere na inya wetra www.ndizitv.net eriyo togendere gosanga sobwa mwana bego kumanyabu na gendere tewataka ya se Chinsinyo au anene imeyense ya Kenya kukwari amchaka mbaye Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchera ereyo bwenye kurwa se County ya Kisii chinga kimuraiwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto akagero chake taro yaye aburetwe angeme rongo rwa Gusii asekerenga kyo korototana bayo kwegore miroberio au yamagendro nigegati abarayi babendrete wesokya na kumwarigania asenchira yabende omwe msebe wodie beno Steve Rika nigaruro kuboria gochia se abantu wesokero kumwarigania chinga kyo korwa amagendro ase chinseme au naboigo kwenekya obotereru asenchira ya moyo korabna omogusii obereka gokonyeka asesemo yamagendro anigo umuri kintenenera bwe kyama kia UDS County ya Kisii Darius Mosoti neraberega kuri okuboria okyase abarayi bonsi kurwa Gusii wesokya na kuboria amagendero okyase chinsemo kirya bakurwa atali weatanana ase ebyama bakurwa
sebe godi bino namoko monene kere president ya Republic ya Kenya agocha gotutalira kiagera kera mugenya gocha tumwarigani na maskani tomoro kyubwanchani egere atoe ikirikinda bisete enseye gagwika oburayi bosikwe nande oburayi ne pipiri na begoteba bantu ocholi no mwanya bantu ba maskani yabo igonto warigani president ito no mu jumbo ito zaidi janda na tatu mugeni ngochale na intu na nyaribali topena biti go eterepara MTC na kende kerabe yonsin togarigani abantu bonse tatu yarigani asoma goko na suwanjani obolene twarigani president ito Dr. William Samuel Ruto kagocha Gusii ito
igonara gotebya abamenye ito bagusii ngima amona abarayibe chingenjo awa abarayibe serikali abarayibe opinsani mwensi people y'abananchi tuwabakaribishire go chakara ankyo as constituency chirichos pe president ego chigoeta niko tutete ko bakikishira oburendi bwo gukumya ekyagire mekakati oburendi yabekro isaine na ndibura mumanyete Gusii nense yo mwando ense y'abantu babwate ebirengeri ebiya bale bisi kokolegasi yabo mbabwate ebirengeri byo gosalia igo omurayi obere well briefed you will be here as from tomorrow tware ko basaba nk'abantu baminto mwensi pia so bonge mochiche the situation will be very calm tokaribisho murayi bwense achaka kora magendero ebintu binge mbira biko chakokoruaga igachipara nko igorukire nko chakatura mangana ri estima tokoro karirek nko chaka ebintu mbira ko chakoiguraga iga
hase chinga kechoni go Darius Mosoti boigaberega ukwanire goro butenenelibwe kyama kia UDA ase County ya Kisii na muno komochia balia bakweroka koba abarayi ase kyame kyonigaine kyabuna babere bako mbabete bakubwatukari uko eriri kworo kyabuna mbarabye batenenelete ekyame kyono tano ndibwensi orachi konyorekana agakobe kwa gosega ko gakurwa bokoreri abuna omurayi atachorire ni garachi kwemukerwa ege tambukiro nigaganire babwatani bekyama kia UDA kwenekia bunanko babare abatoereru nabo igo kwenekia bunankura wabare nabali ababwenete asenchirengia yokorongeya obokoreri ase kiamekyo chinga kibono baganyete gokora obochori nabo igo kweroberia ase amatukabusyo
ya members baito be chama yetu ya UDA Gusii ngimase yabeta igoron twatangasa asiri yuko twarigete une chama umuntu narokorokunga Charles Nyamwange konyo okweroka nge manager ya Kisii County ye chama amono umuntu ndokoroku kare bondieki konyo okweroka nge administrator ye chama onare komanyia abantu bagusii ngimanga biroge bintu ntobibwatia system ye chama na nda abantu abukanya bagutumeka marieta yo konakoa abantu konako korera abantu bocheuri botagwenerete igona kitwara gutangasa officially abantu abukoro ntwabaete onyo mbali authorized gokora end transaction ye chama omuntu ore authorized gokora transaction chama asa mangana yo office no muntu okoro kwesekere Ezekia Bosire na robete gazetted bweka igobuna acting secretary general gona bekire ngane ye very clear abantu abu mbatakiri gokora biashara binde byonsi ase chama na ende toke bagokora end transaction go bakobe kuchingoli
magega yobotereri bwekiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM ko bachora abaraya bo babete bakwirari bagari abari babete bagochorwa ne muraibesi Dr. William Samuel Ruto eriyo chegoterera chiwizara awase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bono abamenyi korase orogonko rwa Western Anene County ya Kakamega bagendrete kogokera ogochorwa kwaye omo senator we county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi kurengana barabwo nigo babere bakogerege tamkirekyo kegima na wakangambia muno utiase obutenero ase okumwege na Ososi askire babere bako motogia na kumwegerera se obokorero buya obwabere gakorwa no mubwatani bwe kiama kia ODM nigo baganira abarayibonsi ba ODM kurwase orogongo rwa Western Nyanza nabego Chinsa chinda kwene kia bunankumusira bare Ososi nabego kubwaterana n'abarayibonsi ase kiamekyo eriyo kwene kia bunankugetinya bare nakogendereria emeroberio Eremia.
Tumeona uteuzi kutoka kwa NEC kwa chama cha ODM na tunashukuru sana kama Western Province. Tumeona kijana wetu Godfrey Osothi ameshanyakuwa hapo kiti ya deputy party leader. Na huyo kijana loyalty. Na ni kijana amefanya kazi mzuri kwa chama. Ukienda Vihiga amefungua ofisi mingi, imeandika vijana na alideliver. Tuko na wabunge kadhaa na MCS. So ukimpatia hiyo kiti niko na imani Western hatakuwa na shida sana.
Tunashukuru chama kwa kumteua Godfrey Osothi kuwa deputy party leader. Sisi kama Western Region viongozi wote tunaomba all the MCS wa ODM na MPs wa ODM waunge Osothi mkono ili afanyie chama kazi. Jambo la pili, kama vijana youth league ya Kakamega ODM, kiongezea ambaye kijana mwenzangu amesema ile position ya mbadi ya bunge, tunaomba chama cha ODM kirudishie sasa vijana. Na youth president wetu Getora tunaomba chama impatie kazi ili endelee kufanya chama cha ODM kazi.
Tuwaunge mkono wale ambao wameteuliwa kwa sababu vile tunajua hakuna ile kitu tunaita gap in leadership. Kwa hivyo hawa kuna sababu muhimu ama kitu ambacho chama imeona ikaweka pale. Kwa hivyo wale ambao wanatarajia kwamba pengine ati chama cha ODM kitaenda chini, nataka niseme sasa huu ni msisimko mpya. Manake
Chinga kibono chisigarte chwiki Ibere choka eriyo chiskuru kwigorwa ase tamu ya gatatu kurengana ne kalenda ya masomo ya mwaka 2024 nigo ekiombe kia barimu Kenya National Union of Teachers NAT bagenderete kogosereria koenda umugiro chinga chiskuru cyo kirabe chikwigorwa ase tamu ya gatatu okwana nigo morekyo monene ase kiombe kyo Collins Oyu abereka otebabuna nigo egati ya maganya ibabete bakubeko koiwana ataraba kawekirani wae kigekwerera abarokia wetara chinga kingongu chinga kibare ase obokoreri bwabo nabono nigo bakomoche kiombe kia bari mu Teacher Service Commission ase okobaombia skiri baterina onye tibari go chikoikiranirwa magani abo tibari go chia koegenda ase obokoreri.
Teachers of this country have been belittled. Teachers of this country are like not workers, not citizens. And I want to start by acknowledging the position you took as a branch. In the resolution that without the implementation of the second phase of the CBA, teachers will not go back to work. if Teachers Service Commission shall not honor the second phase of the CBA. And because from where I speak, I want to operate as a Speaker of the National Assembly, will as many as the opinion that teachers don't resume work on the 26th, based on the issues that I've raised here, say aye.
Umuriki munene ya sensemo ya masomo yekerenko Kyaigoro Beatrice Muganda nigabere kagutugutera rengana yo komento we school fees ase chiskuru chechi university imeyense ya Kenya uko na chinga kiecho ni Muganda berega kwene kyabune serikali negendere kubwatoka chibese chyo yakabwatokiro cha sabaroki wase chi university na nigabaroki wa bonsi barachego konye kanigabaine keria baibuli natibarigo chia konyora engurube yo wakana yo komenta school fees akarende nigo bago chia kwa kane school fees no baga kanire kurwase chinga kyakare asentremo yo kubaoroberia chinga kinonya na baroki wa kwenyorera masomo ase university.
And families only support their children by paying fees ranging from 5% of the cost of the program to 40% of the cost of the program. And I can assure you that families will pay as low as 3,000 school fees a semester for their children. So there's absolutely no reason why any child should not be able to access university education, should not be able to participate in any program ranging from medicine to agriculture, engineering, education, and Bachelor of Arts. All the programs, because government is standing with our people to support them. The government meets them at their various levels of need. And there has been this debate about whether we have increased the cost of programs. And I want to assure you once more that we have not increased the cost of programs.
Ekiombe kyaba korie mirimo ase ege ensemo yobosombi wembeo anena segeti ya Jomo Kenyatta International nigo babere bakugikeria omuroberio yobekire bwogo kyago kondi segeti ekiechindege ase company yamo emergency yabo indi ase kake myaka emeronko etatu korengana nabateneni kurase ekiombe kyo nigo batebire munanigo barachi guturubania obokoreri ase geti ekyo anene ase okogira emeremo onyomuroberio yo
we will be serving KAA and all the organizations within the aviation sector with a strike notice. On that same Monday in the morning, our members, especially from KAA, will not be available for duty for about 2 to 3 hours, from around 8 to around 11, because they will be joining the procession to their managing director's office, where we will deliver a strike notice.
Abamenyi korwase county ya Tana River ni gobesokire na kwemurunganiria okunererwa nabo bisa balia bekiumbekirete rete chingiti choro sana yagose Kenya Wildlife Service kurengana barabwoti babwati bo bebonde bwensine chingiti choro sana kurende nigo abo bisa bo babere bakubabeka egati abananchi byara asokubabekera amamocho atayo nigo bono baganirie ege karogo korekana egati yabagaka korwase nsemeyo abarayi nabo igo ayeboteneneli wa Kenya Wildlife Service erikugaya na enganeyo askari bateremna nigo ekoreta obubisa egatiabo.
They have arrested minors. They have beaten up, harassed our elders who are here. Some of them have severe injuries on their ears, on their head, and then they are trying to create something to say that these people have trespassed on park. They are using force. There is nothing like force. Our President, His Excellency William Ruto, was there 1 week ago. He said there is no way in this world where people are denied water. So they are denying water to our people, to our livestock. There is a corridor between Galana ADC and Savoys. There is a corridor existing. for our people to go to take water at the River Galana. So now they are closing that corridor. This is all about injustices, and this is the one creating conflict between the community and the locals. Yesterday I agreed with the DG KWS, Mr. Kanga. We agreed the people to be released unconditionally. Wildlife belongs to us, we are the public. We are taking care of them. Our people, it is a taboo to kill a wildlife. But now, they are harassing our people because of water. Just a small thing, we agreed to have a meeting, leaders meeting plus elders meeting.
Mwanchi umurigeri ya inana kwariganiriti ya semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano nebira senchira ire yobwenge korenda ya munenda mange ninchu kumanya inda senchira yobwenge chikoraga Chinsa ikomi yendra kubati miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook otanyarwetira Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na baigase website ya ito wetira www.ndizitv.net ero togendere gusanga asobwamo iritriane Everlyne Osero odia ene kechbichane gicha wekera senchira bene nigakoro kwa Kevin Mogambi twaro burigere libero bya asemirobere kubate nabayigo mugaso ore omotoerero